Your wife was in on all.
Stop playing with it, right? Better stop. They be chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. Tryna be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he smart, he gon' act like a fan. Think you bigger, they got your head gas.
This is the piece that you cannot buy. Stand me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one.
And I just fell in love with a gangster, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so we get it on where we at. Nowadays I be ducking them cameras, and they heard that I'm up on them banners. Calling my phone, but they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like.
I'm honored to be here, period, by the grace of God. But for my brother, even to see a talent in me, I think this is the third film, right? Yeah. Third film. God is good, man. He changed my life. That's all I can say.
I want to say everybody looking good tonight for one thing.
Thank you.
And then I want to say thank you to SoChar for putting me in my first film also. And motivated me to do my own independent movie. I'll be finished in about 2 weeks.
Yeah.
With Let filming. Right, tell you a lot of people, I want to say thank you for the motivation, seeing how Mike and seeing how they went in. Hey, that motivated me, like, I got to do this too. But at the same time, most definitely a blessing, you know what I'm saying? God first, you know what I'm saying? And let's get it.
Let's get it.
Everybody for the support. Further ado, let's get it.
Does it look like I belong in a place like this?
We're meeting with some clients after work. What's up with you?
The kids been waiting on you all day. Thought you got off at 3.
I did too. My boss told me at the last minute.
You know, I got that club right there on Atlanta Avenue I just opened up.
I remember. Congratulations.
Yeah, dog, but your wife was in on dog.
What the fuck you doing on this side of town?
Let's go. Where my bad girls at? I see bottles. I see bottles.
My sister makeup for her birthday shoot. She's about to be 16, y'all, this Friday. So this is the before. And we'll be back. You ready?
I'm like sure call them that how they get it.
Try and come back when you're fake. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase.
1, 2,
So I changed if I inserted previous clip. But y'all, yesterday was my sister's birthday. We're about to go to Andretti's today to celebrate. I just got on my Burberry shirt, some black jogging pants, and my Burberry slides. To go on. We done. We did it. Good. Everybody like Lazy Kiki, how was Lazy Tag? It was great. Y'all, we are so tired. We are so tired from that Lazy Tag, but it was fun. We need help too. Put that helmet on me and let's go. Yeah, that was oh, these are the lockers. This is my chance. All right, bud. I'm gonna catch y'all.
work until tonight when we close. Also, we are not responsible for damages, so please make sure your items are secured. Alright, slow down. If you push those pedals at the same time, your cart will not move. Alright, everybody.
Y'all see the footage I get for y'all? My hair in his goodies on the racetrack.
Have to stand on shit like you was handicapped. Made that nigga stand on it. Now his ass can't stand me now. High as fuck, I'm lit, yup. I don't smoke no sweet shots. Flying with my gang and them. Looking at them like sisters. Let's go. Shot 15. Wanna hang with them. They don't have no business. They be doing anything, but I can't go for none of it. Why would I go chase you if I know you gon' come running back? Cut everybody, y'all say you been feeling like a lumberjack. They really get me fucked up.
Cheers to 16. Happy birthday, Shania. Happy birthday, girl. They drink another. All right, y'all. We about to go. I need to pass out more. I have been giving them out. That's how they look, y'all. This is the bed. Screenshot.
That me in love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one.